Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a full review of the Magabox MG5 Max Android TV streaming box, the latest generation that promises faster performance, 4K and even 8K support, smoother streaming, and no monthly fees. In this video, we'll go through everything: unboxing, design, setup, specs, software, apps, live TV, and more. So stick around to see if this is the right box for you. Magabox MG5 Max comes in a fairly standard retail box, with some key features highlighted on the exterior. The front has the product image and specs. On one side, there are some product features, and on the other side, more features of this box. Now, let's open the box to see its contents. These are everything that came in the box. The Magabox MG5 Max Android TV box, an IR voice remote control, HDMI cable, a power adapter, and a user guide. The Magabox MG5 Max has a full metal body construction and with a metallic blue finish. The color looks elegant with its polished chrome borders. At the top, the brand name Magabox is printed, and in front is the LED display panel. On the side, this is a microSD card slot, 2 USB 2.0 ports, and a system restore pinhole, if you need to reset this device. At the back, there are two antennas that can be adjusted and rotated to get the best possible Wi-Fi signal. Most of the ports are placed at the back. This is the IR port, SPDIF digital audio, AV port, HDMI out port, LAN Ethernet port, and DCIN power port. On the other side are ventilation holes. At the bottom, there are 4 anti-skid rubberized feet that provide good grip on flat surfaces. In the middle is the product model name MG5 Max, MAC address, and serial number. This box might remind you of Superbox S6 Max, which I have reviewed before, which is similar in color. Included is a very simple user guide which covers product specification, connection diagram, and package contents. I will explain more details in this video, so please continue watching. Now let's test the Magabox MG5 Max. Connect the power adapter and HDMI from the Android box to a display such as TV or monitor, and turn on power. The Android splash screen displays Magabox logo and animation. The boot process took 24 seconds to come to this screen. The first step is the remote control pairing process. Follow the instructions on screen by pressing OK and reduce volume buttons at the same time. When the indicator light starts flashing, release the buttons. The remote control is now connected successfully. Press the OK button for the next step. There are 3 language options here. I'm choosing English. You can connect the Magabox TV box to a Wi-Fi network or use an Ethernet cable. Magabox Android TV box does not have the entertainment apps pre-installed. Due to YouTube guidelines, I can't show you how to get or install the Android box streaming apps, but I will explore the external apps as part of my product testing process. Please comply with the law and regulations of your country when it comes to content access or use. I will skip showing the app installations and go straight to the apps to test. Unlike most small remote controls, this one is large and is comfortable to hold. This remote control has all the standard buttons. There's dedicated TV control and volume buttons, a mouse cursor button, navigation buttons, live TV and VOD buttons, voice control button, and shortcut buttons for YouTube, Netflix, Google, and Prime Video. The back of the remote has pairing and programming instructions printed on the surface. I will demonstrate the voice search function in the next section. These are the 3 main Mega apps. Mega TV is for live TV channels streaming. Mega VOD is for watching movies and TV series. Mega Replay is to watch past shows on supported TV channels. There are also a few other streaming apps like Sports TV, Europe TV, Latino TV, USA Local TV, Canada TV, Asia TV, MGTV, and Backup TV. This is the Mega TV app, which is streaming a live TV channel. Unlike most other Android TV boxes, this one has a good EPG, or electronic program guide. To access EPG, you can either press the EPG button or the OK button on the remote. In the EPG, there are 3 columns. The first lists channel categories. The second displaying a list of channels from the selected category. And then the list of TV programs scheduled. Navigating the EPG is easy. Just use the remote control navigation buttons. There are more than 4,700 TV channels listed, and browsing the list takes time. If you find a channel that you frequently watch, bookmarking it into the favorites category is very convenient. To save a channel into favorites, just long press OK the selected channel, and you get this heart icon indicating it has been saved. To remove it, just long press the OK button again, and the bookmark is removed. With a large live TV channel selection, a voice search function makes it so easy to find channels instead of scrolling a long list. To search, press the voice search button on the remote control. A voice search bar appears, and just speak to the remote. The search will now show all the matching channels. This is the Mega VOD app. The interface is simple and straightforward. At the top, there are tabs for recommended, movies, TV series, and settings. On the left, there is a history button to find all your previous watch list, a search function for movies and TV series, and a favorite button where all your bookmarked media can be found. On the Movies tab page, there are more than 22,000 movies available here. There are buttons for search, favorite, and history. You can filter your movie browsing using the various genres listed and even narrow your search by the movie year. The total movie number changes as the filter selection changes. The remote control voice search function works for movies too. Press the mic button on the remote and speak. The search result appears with any matching movie name. On the TV series tab page, there are more than 1,600 TV shows available here. There are buttons for search, favorite, and history. You can filter your TV series browsing using the various genres listed, and also narrow your search by the year. Mega Replay app has a list of channels where you can find past 7 days of TV shows. If you missed any live TV shows, this is where you can come back to catch up on programs. Although there are more than 4,700 TV channels, the playback feature is currently available for 159 TV channels. This is the Backup TV app. It is an alternative to the main app and combines live TV, movies, and TV series in one place. It has the same app features and categories as the main apps, but with a different interface. This backup app is useful if the main apps experience any issue. MGTV is another streaming TV app, which lists more than 5,000 channels. The channels are focused on non-American content and various languages from around the world. USA Local TV, as its name says, focuses on USA local TV channels. It also has an EPG function to navigate channels and programs. Canada TV has a similar interface in EPG and focuses on Canadian TV channels. Europe TV app also has a similar interface in EPG and focuses on UK and European countries' TV channels. This is the Latino TV app and has a similar interface in EPG as the previous apps. The Asia TV app also has the same EPG interface. This app is more focused on Philippines and Indian TV channels. Finally, the Sports TV app for all the sports fans. This app has a lot of sports channels for major sports and games. Magabox MG5 Max has Google Play, so you can log in using your Google account and download various apps. With 128 GB storage space, you can install a lot of apps and games. Here are some of the many entertainment and streaming apps that are available for install. Now let's look at Magabox MG5 Max Hardware Specifications. This is an X-Droid board shown as manufactured by Google, and the model is showing as Pixel 3, but the device shown as MG5 Max. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. However, it is reporting a lower amount here. Bluetooth 5 is supported in this device. The CPU system on chip, SoC, is an Allwinner H313/H616. It has a 4-core ARM Cortex A53 processor running between 480 to 1512 MHz. For graphics, the GPU is a single-core ARM Mali-T720. It supports the OpenGL 3.2 standard. The installed Android is version 12, also called Snow Cone, with API level 31. The Android security patch date is from last year. This device is rooted, and that allows a user perform actions such as changing the operating system, replace or alter settings and system applications, install custom themes, and download specialized apps. The Mali-T720 integrated graphics processing unit supports Vulkan API, which is a low-level, low-overhead, cross-platform API and open standard for 3D graphics and computing. Overall, the Magabox MG5 Max is a powerful, user-friendly Android TV streaming box that delivers excellent value for anyone looking for smooth streaming, live TV, and reliable performance. It is an excellent choice for people who want lifetime access to live TV and movies without monthly bills. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, which is sufficient for most users' needs. You can install a lot of the popular streaming apps from Google Play and still have plenty of space left. The Android TV box offers a good combination of features, performance, and access to a wide range of content, which includes English and non-English global content. If you're looking for a versatile streaming device with the flexibility of Android TV, the Magabox MG5 Max is definitely worth considering. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.